So guys, once again, I'm going to start a new blog. That is the short blog. I always tell my viewers, but normally go to 10 minutes or 12 minutes. But this time I'm going to start my 7 8 minutes blog. Okay. Last video I'm going to move out to Karachi, as I always said. I just left Wa because Wa is a good place, as many of you know. But for us, some of us who don't like Wa, that's the problem with us people. We always likely to move around one place to another place because we are travelers, and travelers don't stay at one place. So in this video I'm going to tell about a little bit about my experience in Wa. Let's get started. Okay. शुरू करते हैं अपना ब्लॉग। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं जब 2015 में आया, जब एडमिशन हुआ कराची से मेरा एडमिशन हुआ शूरिश कॉलेज के अंदर, जो कि आई थिंक वो मेन जीटी रोड के ऊपर वाक़िया है, जिसका जो डिग्री है वो है यूटी टेस्ला के साथ। तो मैंने यूटी टेस्ला के होते हुए मैं थोड़ा डिग्री मिल रही है यूटी टेस्ला की, वाई नॉट ट्राई इट। तो मैंने 4 साल उधर पर आए। 2019 से मैं ग्रेजुएट हुआ हूँ वहाँ से मैकेनिकल में। फिर मैंने काम किया HIT के अंदर, जो कि है हमारी डिफेंस सेक्टर है। फिर उसके बाद मैंने कहा कि चलो यार, एट दैट टाइम आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट माई लाइफ, बिकॉज माई लाइफ सो चेंज इन 2020। इट ब्रिंग्स me a debt to my family, a struggle in my family, because it not only bring corona, but it also bring death to my mother. So my mother just died, not from the coronavirus, I know about that, not from the coronavirus, but because of the coronavirus. My mother's treatment was not completely recovered. They didn't treat her like it normally do to the people. So because of the corona, my mother got death, has died, as always I am telling you. And due to the coronavirus, due to coronavirus, I have lost my job, as other engineers also did. But I want to start a new life, so I decided, why not go to another place with a new life. So I went. I'm going to went Karachi for a time being, for looking for a new job, etc. So because I'm the engineer, mechanical engineer, we don't stay at home. Normally we don't stay at home. In our cases, there are two types of people. One type of people is that they stay at home, do the freelancing, fiber type of thing. But in my case, my kind of people want to do the field job. That we are meant to do the field job in mechanical, because mechanical engineer can do also done many kind of things. They can do consultants, they can go into business, they can go to into industry, so all type of things, because we want to do something that we want to do and earn money. So in that case, I always tell my colleagues that you don't have to stay at home, you just want to do something new, do some business. So inshallah in Karachi I will also start my business in consulting, and then we can maybe I can start on industry consulting, advices consulting. Maybe I can start some business consulting. So it's up to me. I think I have to do, because I'm the older in the family. I have two younger brothers, and one is doing also engineering, other has also doing engineering, so I have to look after them. So that's all I want to say. The other thing I want to say about Wa and Tesla, they have a very good attractive points. Like you can go to Wa gardens, and you can go to stupa. Okay, the stupa is called the Buddhist momentums, Buddhist Asian cities created in 5,000 or 700,000 years ago, and their remains are still in Tesla and Wa. When you go to Tesla, you can see their remains, their tombs, their culture everywhere. Most of the culture came from the Mughal Empire. Shesha Shuri Empire, and you will love it. And about their food, you find very good food there. You find everywhere you go, you find a good food. Like they have good taste of food. Okay, the food is good, and they have a good attraction point. Number two, number third, they have a good people there. They are helping people. When you are in need, they will help you. They are not like other cities. They can't help you, they give you wrong direction. But in Y and Tesla, they will give you good directions. If you are moving from Tesla to Y, I have spent my 5 years there, and nothing compared to other cities. They are very good people. I have my own reasons to live there, but I had not a choice. Because if you want to live in Va and Tesla, you have very good opportunities there. And the housing, oh yes, man, the housing is so good, you can't think of it. Number one is New City. They have a good attractive point, low cost, like Bhaiya Town. Bhaiya Town is the high cost, but as compared to Bhaiya Town, the New City is very good. You can search on Google also. They have a own Facebook page. They have New City Phase 1 and New City Phase 2, and they have a New City in Mirpur, that in Kashmir, Azad Kashmir. Okay, and the other is Vakant. Vakant, I think, is for military officers, where military, they have a War factory, War Noble factory. The people are living in War have much know about it. War. They have good restaurants there. They have food. They have culture. They have everything. If you are the shopping lover, you can go to Basti. You can search Basti on Google. Vakant, Basti Vakant, Basti Basti Vakant. You can go there and you can find everything you want. You don't have to wait in a car everywhere. You just couldn't love it. You just love it. And the last thing is that Textile Museum. That is the most thing. That is the tourist extremist point. From my point of view, I give you 5 thumbs up, because it has been a good in Textile Museum. The people are very knowledgeable, very educated. They will give you any detail about Textile Museum you want. You can ask them what kind of Textile Museum. They have a good education and history. You want to know about. The history is good. You just go there and find the history yourself. If you are with family, you can go there and see. You can rest there. You can do picnic there. And the first thing I always tell the people, that Mughal Wa Gardens, that is called the Mughal Gardens, is the very famous place too. They are this is also situated in GT Road near Wagh Gardens. Okay, and you can find it. Google, you can just Google it and find it. Everything you want to know about Wagh, you can find there. So keep on liking my channel, so I will tell you more about my experience, where I went, what I'm doing. I have already told you about my educational skills, qualifications, what I'm going to do next. But if you want to know about more of these cities, I can help you find it, because I don't want to know people that they are going to be in trouble. Just message me, just comment me on my page, my YouTube page. I will tell you everything. If you want to go to Kalam, Sawat, everything you want to know, I will tell you, and free of cost advice. No, I'm going to charge you anything. You just have to wait. Okay, at the end, I always tell the people, wear the mask and hand sanitizer, to wash your hand 10 seconds every minute, every 10 seconds, sorry. And as you know, this city, this Tesla and Wagh is the very best city in the world. You can find everything there. So in my Arabic video, I always say, subscribe my channel. If you don't like it, comment on my video and tell me about it. Please share my videos to anyone who want to see, and anyone who want to know about tourism. Please let me know about it, and I will able to help. I will give time to you people. Okay, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up to my channel, and as always, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.